Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is April 16th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock. You know the drill. I'm not a financial advisor. I just do this for fun. So today closed at 739.78, up 93 cents, up 0.13%. Post-market, it's pretty much even. So let's look at the chart. So basically we have this green candle. I always prefer green candles to red candles. So green candle, and then we see that the bottom of the candle went pretty much even on this support, which is a very short-term support. I don't think it's going to hold for a long time. So the stock is midway in between the channel. So I found a new feature in TradingView. We can see, I can put a text next to the support lines and resistance lines. So this one here is at 775, and this one here at the bottom, the support, we have it at 709. I had somebody suggest to me to tell the numbers for the support and resistance. So this is what I'm doing. So basically a quiet day, a middle of the range day for Tesla. Let's look at the indicators. Stochastic is still quite high at 78. We have MACD. Okay, MACD. MACD turned, we have the blue line that turned positive. Was it like this yesterday? Yes, it was there yesterday. Okay, so nothing new here. And then the orange line, turned positive too. So I have it at 0.18. So this is another indication that the stock is getting even more bullish, and the DMI is still quite bullish. So basically all is good for Tesla. Tesla is basically in a congestion zone between 709 and 775. Basically waiting for the earnings on April 26th. And until then, it could rally, but most likely, or I don't know, it can just stay within those two lines. And when the April 26th hits, then if the news are good, then the stock can just start and fly. Let me just try something with you guys. The first time, first time I do this with you guys. One way you can look at stock also is that when we look at stocks on a daily chart, it gives us an indication of what's happening on a day-to-day basis. But it's also interesting to look at a chart from a weekly perspective. So this is giving us an idea of the bigger trend. So if we look at it from that perspective, we see that the DMI has never concluded that what happened here was a downtrend. So from a weekly perspective, if you, let's say that you invest for the very long term, well, you can look at charts only from a weekly perspective. But just for fun, let's just do this now. So basically, the DMI always concluded that Tesla was in a bull trend from a weekly perspective, which is not very wrong, which is right, because if you look at the support that we have had for, well, since one full year, the support was clearly held. But then we had a little crossover on the MACD, and the stochastic went down and is picking back up. So one strategy in technical analysis is to buy stock from a daily standpoint when the weekly standpoint also agrees. So when you have an agreement weekly and daily, then that's the best possible scenario to have a most probable success. There you go. So I just thought I would do that with you guys on this Friday. So that's going to be it from me for today. So I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk to each other on Monday. Please subscribe, like, comment, Discord and Patreon. And I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.